Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we draw in capital letter alphabets. Kids, subscribe to our channel. First we are using black color and now we draw capital letter alphabets A to Z. Subscribe to our channel. First we are draw the alphabet of A. Subscribe to our channel. A for apple, A for ant. Kids, the next one is B. And now we draw the alphabet of C. C for cow, C for cat. The next one is D. D for dog, D for doll. E for egg, E for elephant. The next one is F. F for fish, F for fan. And the next one is G. G for God. The next one is H. H for hand. I for eyes. Kids, now we draw J. The next one is K. K for kite. L for lion. And now we are draw M. M for moon, M for mango. The next one is N for nose, N for nest. O for octopus. P for parrot. Q for queen. The next one is R for rose, R for rice. S. T. Kids, now we'll draw U. U for umbrella. The next one is V. V for van. The next one is W. Now we are draw X, Y, and the last one is Z. Z for zoo, Z for zebra. Hello kids, welcome back to our channel. Today we draw and coloring 2D shapes. First we are coloring the shape of star and the next one is pentagon, square, triangle, circle, and the last one is trapezoid. Kids, now we are mixing and using the color of blue. First we are coloring the shape of star and now we are mixing and using the color of blue. Subscribe to our channel. The next one is pentagon. The shape of pentagon we are again using blue color. Subscribe to our channel. Kids, the next one is square. The shape of square. Now we are coloring 2D shapes. Kids, the next one is triangle. Now we are using the color of red. Now we are using the color of red. Subscribe to our channel. Now we are mixing and using the color of red. Kids, the next one is trapezoid. The last one is trapezoid. Subscribe to our channel. Today we are coloring 2D shapes. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.